Well, hi, good morning. So again, we start today with positive Asia cues. The market basically should be trading positively in the first few hours, but then the question will come: are we going to cross 9560? And again, a lot of trading bets would be positioned around that. So let's remember today again there is FNO expiry. So and always around expiry, basically there is some sort of volatility. So again today expect the same sort of phenomena. Now looking at Bank Nifty, because it has not broken 23,000, so that level should be important. And again, second point here is that which is slightly contradictory, is that Reliance Industries started slipping in the trade yesterday in the second half. So Reliance actually was very important. So if we look in terms of what now actually is important for Nifty, number one, 9560. If we start reading about that, and if we close about that, reversal will start coming in. Number two, is Nifty looking weak? Yes. Because again we saw basically selling happening in mid caps and small caps over the last few days. Selling is now slowly shifting to large caps. Now if you will have to actually look at indice to indice, now buying was seen in aviation stocks, buying was seen in fertilizer, chemicals. We also saw basically some sort of exhaustion coming in the auto stocks. So again, that would be something really very interesting. Now auto numbers, they generally come on the 1st of July. So before that, it appears that traders actually now are positioning for some sort of buying in the auto stocks. And remember, this time also the numbers are expected to be good. Apart from that, if I look what is happening in terms of the index position, the July series, the rollovers are basically higher than the average in Nifty, and again the range basically slightly 94 to 9800 in July series, and that tells me that at present the traders, they actually are not thinking that there is real panic in terms of selling. So there is no major very substantial increase in volumes. Yesterday the volumes were higher. We talked about yesterday that the volumes on Tuesday, they were lower. Wednesday the volumes have increased materially, and if again 1 or 2 days more of higher volumes, then perhaps that would be sufficient to push Nifty towards 9350, 9370. So for now, if you're making trading bets, be cautious around 9560. About that, I think any sort of basically short selling stop losses could be kept easily. Below that, I think Nifty would continue to look weak till the time we really see follow-on buying in mid caps and small caps, because there is a bit of tiredness in selling in mid caps and small caps. There is a bit of exhaustion in selling in auto stocks also. So if 1 or 2 days we are basically going to trade around here, consolidate around here, that is not bad for the market. That will only tell that some sort of stability, some sort of sanity is coming back. Pockets I've already discussed, so just keep a watch on that. Indigo, Hindustan Zinc, metals actually again were looking very good in terms of copper, showed a good up move basically yesterday in the LME trade. Zinc was slightly softer, but again the prices are looking quite good. So metal stocks should be in positive action like we saw yesterday. In addition to metals, keep a close watch on stocks like Bank of India, good long additions, Indigo, good long additions. Again, Adani Power, Reliance Power, some sort of relief rally happening in those power stocks. Those stocks generally they actually run up, and then the run up usually is not lasting for a long time. So just keep a watch on those sort of moves there. And apart from that, also keep a watch in what is happening in the chemical space, fertilizer space, which was seeing good action yesterday. Today RCF is down primarily because the government OFS is happening at a lower price, but overall a good action out of the monsoon happening in the agri stocks. Irrigation stocks were doing really good in the yesterday's trade, so just keep an eye on those stocks. Lastly, just to summarize, aviation, chemicals, fertilizers, metals, the strongest of them all. Just keep a watch on them all, and have a good profitable day.